Did you hear that?
Something fell upstairs.
Nobody should be up there.
Then who made that noise? That chair wasn't like that before.
You're right.
Maybe someone knocked it over.
Then where did they go?
The window is open.
I closed it this morning.
Then somebody opened it.
Or something came through it.
Look at these footprints.
They're fresh.
Someone was here.
The question is, where are they now?
Mom, there were 6 cookies.
Are you sure?
Now there are only 5.
Who took one?
Did you hear that scratching?
Yes.
It's behind those boxes.
Let's see what's hiding there.
Wait, I found something.
What's that? What's
Wait,
that?
I found something.
Open it carefully.
It's a drawing.
This is our attic.
Who drew this?
Why is that corner marked? Will you...
Maybe that's where the person is hiding.
We're almost there. Stay behind me.
I don't like this. We'll stay together.
It's locked.
Try lifting the lid.
Wait, it opened. Wait, opened.
What's inside?
This isn't about the house.
Then why was it hidden here?
Who keeps leaving these clues?
Now we have another mystery.
There are words here.
Read them.
Tomorrow, library, find the truth.
What truth?
This is awesome.
Or scary. Let's solve it.
Maybe somebody needs help.
What are you looking for?
Just a book. A very special book.
Good luck finding it.
Number 12.
What does it open?
Maybe a treasure chest.
Number 12 is a locker.
Here goes. Open it. Open it. It's unlocked.
What's inside?
No way. It's empty. There's a message.
Read it!
Go back home. The answer is waiting.
I've seen this writing before.
Where?
Look at this star. It's on every clue.
What does it mean?
Maybe we're missing something. The star is here too.
Open it. Open it.
There's another key.
Another one?
I know where this key goes. Let's find out.
This is getting crazy. Hurry!
full of photos.
Family photos.
Some are very old.
Why were they hidden?
Years ago, I hid these memories.
You made the clues?
I forgot all about them.
So nobody was inside the house?